In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove background noises and keyboard clicks in OBS Studio. If you've ever found yourself struggling with unwanted sounds creeping into your recordings or streams, fear no more. By the end of this video, you'll have a much cleaner sound profile. So let's dive right into it. First off, let's open up the OBS Studio app. It's where all the magic happens for many streamers and content creators alike. So if you don't have it open already, now's the time to do so. OBS Studio is widely recognized for its versatility and effectiveness, particularly useful if you aim for high-quality content creation. Once you're in OBS Studio, direct your attention to the Audio Mixer panel. This is your command center for all audio-related settings and is typically located at the bottom of the OBS window. You'll see your different audio sources here, and this is where we're going to make our tweaks. Now, find the three-dot icon next to the audio source you want to adjust. Clicking this icon will give you access to additional options. We're looking to add filters that will minimize those pesky background noises, whether it's the hum of a fan or the clacking of a keyboard. Everything you don't want your audience to focus on. After clicking the three dots, go ahead and select Filters from the drop-down menu. This will open a new window where you can apply changes that directly affect the audio quality coming from the selected source. The Filters window is crucial as it allows you to tailor your audio to best fit your needs, providing tools to enhance or suppress specific sound aspects. In this Filters window, look for the plus icon, typically located at the bottom left corner. Clicking this plus icon lets you add new audio filters. You'll notice it's packed with options, all designed to help improve sound quality. By adding these filters, we're taking proactive steps to ensure clearer audio output. Now look for the noise suppression option within the Add Filter menu. Select it, and this will introduce a noise suppression filter aimed squarely at reducing background sounds. Noise suppression is your frontline defense against ambient noise, making it an indispensable tool for anyone looking to polish their audio. Once you've done that, the next step is to select RN Noise from the available options. RN Noise works with machine learning to efficiently suppress background noise while maintaining audio quality. It's preferred by many for its superior performance and minimal impact on the voice clarity. With RN Noise in place, let's go a step further by selecting the Noise Gate option from the Filters menu. This feature serves as an additional safeguard, allowing only sounds above a certain threshold to pass through. By doing this, you ensure that only intentional noises make it to the final output. And there you have it. With these steps, you'll significantly minimize unwanted background noises and keyboard clicks, tremendously improving the quality of your audio in OBS Studio. Remember, the key to professional content is not just about what your audience sees, but also what they hear. Thank you for watching, and happy streaming.